Another gorgeous day of haunted house construction. Mitch putting in our surveillance system here.
No more surprises for Leslie this year. Yeah, it's supposed to be covert, man.
Surveillance system. Smile, you're on candy camera. To remake the ramp a little smaller to fit the box. See what's happening down here. Oh, there's somebody hard at work.
You gotta come here.
Clap on, clap off. The clapper.
On this side, this is the...
Ooh, the eyeballs inside.
Ooh. I'm gonna put something like right here. So.
Making his fence creations. Watch your head on that one. Here's Leslie making the cool brick, faux brick tunnel. Down in the chamber. It's a nice shot of Leslie's butt. Can't see her face. Oh, there she is. This is how you make a brick ceiling. Leslie's technique. Oops, they lost their light now.
Actually, I think I do. Thank you.
Uh-oh, here comes the helper.
Painter's helper.
Ooh, windy.
Ugh, a big hole.
What is that? You know, it's gonna be dark though. Yeah.
Okay, here's Tio, the painting crew, painting the tunnel. Oh, wait, gotta have a little bit more water. Okay, power break. Back to work. Ooh.
Sorry, can't believe.
Good job, Tio.
Paint the tape. I did the whole thing by myself. Okay.
Cool, where were you?
Changing.
You missed the whole painting crew.
Comes in like a genius now.
That was the idea.
A lot of backstabbing on it. Everybody maybe apologizing for that.
Oh, the Heineken block.
Hold on.
He's hard at work with his tools. Little light.
But you know it's gonna be a non-factor this year though.
Couldn't make up his mind. They're up and then they're
Everybody is hard at work on the haunted house.
Anyways,
Even John.
dog jump competition where the dogs run and then they jump across the water. And me and Jordan were watching.
That's right.
I just see
Little
these
light.
dogs like hitting like 25 feet.
Represent.
And then the smaller dog looked like a sheepdog.
Here we have the catering
There's like gray
catering
dogs
service.
and goes and runs and jumps like 30 feet.
Oh.
I was like, whoa!
Haunted caravan catering.
He won.
He's awesome. Everybody's
That good, Tara?
Chihuahua on steroids.
Yum yum. What you eating? I see noodles, spaghetti.
He said he believes he's flashing off the window.
Hey, Step.
Such a lie.
I see 2 out of 3 dogs.